this is a paleokumai structure that is actually structural foam with plaster on it. So what happens is you smooth it out and then you want to put your details back in. So to put eyebrows in, you just make little cuts with your file. Even though they're kind of going in, there's parts that go out and they end up looking like hairs when you hit them with a little sandpaper. But it makes her an entirely different person to start having the details in. Let's see here if I can get it to cut up under. You can see that you want a little raised surface here, and you're taking back just a little bit to make the eyebrow kind of stick out a little bit because hairs come out of your face. So when I go back in with a little sandpaper, it actually smooths it out so this part kind of disappears. And I'm not taking very much off there. And then I can come back in and actually cut little hairs. Let's see if I can do it. This is one of the few times you'll see me using a tool like a pencil. And just keep detailing it back until it really starts looking like hair.